Hello friend, today I have a Camry 2013 customer complaint. Outside temperature is not working, not showing in the cluster outside temperature, only 00 showing. You can see when I diagnose the car, there is a problem in the sensor. You see 00. Now I check the wire is broke from the outside temperature sensor. Now I want to repair and fix. This is the temperature sensor, outside temperature sensor, fix front of the bumper. This two wire is broke. This two wire is broke. After fixing, I will check this is working or not working. This is the common failure for broke wire for any car. Today temperature 35 centigrade, but the cluster inside the cluster shows 00. Fix the wire. When I check, it will be showing inside the cluster. It will showing 36 centigrade.